Welcome to the Google Cardboard book, Explore, Engage, and Educate with Virtual Reality book review. The Google Cardboard book was written by Holly Clark, Sylvia Duckworth, Jeffrey Heil, David Hotler, Donnie Piercy, and Lisa Thuman. This book is all about the Google Cardboard product, its origin, as well as how and why it's used. All of the authors believe that Google Cardboard is a valuable resource for classrooms and can be used in all subject areas. Each author, all of whom are Google certified innovators, wrote different sections of this book. Holly Clark is an award-winning educator from San Diego, California. She holds a Master's of Arts in Teaching and Education from Columbia University in New York. Sylvia, a French teacher who is also a technology teacher at an all-boys school in Toronto. Jeffrey Heil works for the San Bernardino County Office of Education as a digital learning innovator. He has a passion for working with at-risk and homeless youth. David Hotler is an advocate for the productive use of technology in all subjects of education. He is currently teaching English in Madrid. Donnie Piercy is a 5th grade teacher from Kentucky. He uses Google Cardboard in his classes to take students to places they've never been before. Lisa Thuman, a supervisor for EdTech's Team Professional Development for a program of teachers. She also holds an MA in teaching because she used to be a teacher. This book begins by explaining the history of all virtual reality and the creation of Google Cardboard as Google's attempt to stay relevant in the new virtual world. It goes to list the various ways that Google Cardboard can be implemented into the classroom environment. This book suggests 2 ways that Google Cardboard can be used in each subject. Next, the book begins discussing the various equipment required to properly use the Google Cardboard, such as a smartphone or tablet, a VR-capable app, and a VR viewing device such as Google Cardboard. Finally, the book explains where and how to assemble the Google Cardboard. This book, in my opinion, needs a bigger portion of the book dedicated to education. The educational uses of Google Cardboard only took up a measly 7 out of the 57 pages of this book. This would be fine if the title did not state Explore, Engage, and Educate with Virtual Reality. Also, this book should have less information about the assembly of Google Cardboard because that information would be found on the box that Google Cardboard is bought in. This book, however, did do a great job explaining what Google Cardboard is and its intended uses. In conclusion, I think this book was extremely informational and helpful for someone who is curious about Google Cardboard and other virtual reality items. Although this book lacked in a few areas, it's still a good quality resource for both novice and intermediate techies to use so they can implement the Google Cardboard into their classroom.